Skydio 2. 3 reasons why this drone matters. Got that coming up next. Ever since the Skydio 2 has been announced, there's been almost non-stop talk in the drone community about it. Now, it's become apparent that this drone's impact could be far-reaching, not only here in the United States, but around the world. I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why this drone matters. Number 1, assembled in the United States of America. Although a number of the components are made overseas, it will be assembled here in the United States. Now, a vast majority of the comments that I've seen indicate that people are very excited about an American company that makes drones and want to see this company succeed. Number 2, competition. Now, we all know that DJI has an incredible share of both the consumer and the professional drone market, not only here in the United States, but around the world. Their closest competitor's share of the market is a little over 1%. Yes, 1%. Enter in Skydio with the Skydio 2, which I believe it's gaining attention here, not only in the United States, but around the world. Competition isn't just a good thing, it's a great thing. In number 3, incredible technology at an incredible price. Now, the technology that will be packed into the Skydio 2 is off the charts. 4K 60 HDR camera, range of 3.5 kilometers, a 3-axis gimbal, 23 minutes of flight time, a 6 4K navigation cameras, 256 NVIDIA processing cores, and 3 ways to fly Skydio: the beacon, the app, and the controller, all with a base price of $999, and now that excludes the Skydio beacon and Skydio controller. Question of the day: have you put in a reservation for a Skydio 2? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.